Welcome back to QuickSmartQuiz. Only a true Cristiano Ronaldo fan can answer these 50 questions. Are you one of them? Let's find out. Good luck! Before starting, please subscribe to this channel for more exciting quizzes. First question. What is Cristiano Ronaldo's full name? Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. In which year was Cristiano Ronaldo born? Correct, 1985. Which Portuguese island was Ronaldo born on? You got it, Madeira. What was Ronaldo's first professional club? That's right, Sporting CP. Who was the manager that signed him for Manchester United in 2003? Exactly, Sir Alex Ferguson. What jersey number did Ronaldo wear at Sporting CP? That's correct, it's 28. Against which team did Ronaldo make his Manchester United debut? That's correct, it's Bolton Wanderers. In which year did he win his first Ballon d'Or? That's right, it's 2008. Ronaldo was the first player to win which award in two different leagues? You nailed it, it's Golden Shoe. Which club did he join in 2009 for a then world record fee? Correct, Real Madrid. How many goals did he score in his most prolific UCL season 2013 to 2014? That's right, 17. What is his famous goal celebration called? That's correct, the shoe. How many UEFA Champions League titles has he won in total? That's right, 5. Which country did Ronaldo lead to victory in Euro 2016? Correct, Portugal. In 2018, Ronaldo moved to which Italian club? You got it, Juventus. Ronaldo holds the record for most goals in which competition? Exactly, UEFA Champions League. Who is his longtime rival often compared to him? That's right, Lionel Messi. What is the name of Ronaldo's lifestyle brand? That's correct, CR7. In 2023, which Saudi Arabian club did he join? You're right, it's Al Nassr. How many total Ballon d'Or awards has he won? Perfect, it's 5. As of 2026, which team is he currently playing for? Correct, Al Nassr. Who was the first player he shared the 7 shirt with at Manchester United? You got it, David Beckham. Ronaldo is the all-time leading goal scorer for which national team? That's right, Portugal. What was the name of the airport renamed in his honor? That's right, it's Madeira Airport. Which of these is not a club Ronaldo played for? Exactly, Manchester City. How many goals did he score for Real Madrid? You're right, 450. In 2025, he reportedly reached what financial milestone? That's right, billionaire status. Which international trophy did he win with Portugal in 2019 and 2025? Exactly, UEFA Nations League. What was his father's profession at the club and Arinha? You got it, Kitman. At what age did he leave Madeira for Lisbon? That's right, 12. Which major surgery did he have at age 15? That's correct, heart surgery. Ronaldo scored his first Manchester United goal against? That's right, it's Portsmouth. What was the score when he debuted for Sporting's first team? You nailed it, 3-0. In which year did he return to Manchester United for a second stint? Exactly, 2021. How many European Golden Shoes has he won? Correct, it's 4. Ronaldo is the first player to score in how many World Cups? That's right, 5. What is his preferred foot to play with? Exactly, right. He recently broke the record for most goals scored after turning what age? You got it, 30. Which movie star was he named after? That's right, Ronald Reagan. In 2024, he received a special award from UEFA for being all-time UCL top scorer. How many international caps appearances has he exceeded as of 2026? Right again, 220. What is the total number of career goals he is currently chasing? That's right, 1,000. Which award did he win in 2009 for the best goal of the year? You got it, Puskas Award. He is the only player to score 100 goals for how many different clubs? Right again, 4. What is the name of his current partner? That's right, it's Georgina Rodriguez. Which brand gave him a lifetime contract in 2016? Exactly, Nike. Ronaldo's first ever hat-trick for Manchester United was against? You nailed it, Newcastle. How many goals did he score in his first full season at Al Nassr? That's right, 54. What is the length of his current Al Nassr contract extension? Right again, until 2027. Cristiano Ronaldo is the most followed person on which platform? Exactly, Instagram. Pick your next challenge and make sure you like and subscribe. And also, don't forget to share your score in the comment.